And they tell me that you gotta do what you enjoy. And I've always had a dream of building giant ass robots. So I went out and I got me a Comic Sans starter kit. So today we're going to make an angry bot. Turn anger into physical motion. Now the idea is simple. Make a robot that gets angry and screams at you. So what do we need? Well, we're going to need cardboard boxes. Yeah, so I don't really have a lot of supplies yet, so our robots are going to be made out of duct tape and cardboard. But you know, you gotta start somewhere. You get the basics done, you know? Oh my god, Jesus, fuck. Yeah, so I already dug a hole into this one. We can use it, I think. So the idea is that it's going to get an aggression meter. So you can see how angry it is. And when it reaches the maximum aggro level, his eyebrows turn angry and it starts screaming. Step 1, aggro meter. So we'll be making a row of LEDs. So this here is going to be his anger meter. He's going to have 4 states of angerness. It'll be passive, that's a blue one. Now we are going to hook it up with this little bad boy. Now this is an ultrasonic sensor. It's going to be sending out signals and it's going to check how long it will take for those signals to get back to it. And that way it can see if anything is getting in its way. And if it is in front of it, it's going to increase its anger meter. Anger meter. Anger meter. Anger meter. Okay. Okay, so I can turn it on and off now. Now we need the other ones. But this is a start. This is definitely a start. Oh, oh, look at that. Moving my hand closer is actually turning up his aggro. Blue, passive. Green. Yellow. Red. Alrighty. Now, anger means eyebrows. So we're going to need to make a few eyebrows. This is a piece of cardboard. I have duct taped a thingy-majig on there. This is a small servo motor. It's not powerful or anything, but it's going to get the job done. This is a cardboard box, and I've knifed out a few holes in there, as you can see. Now the idea is that we are going to stick the motor in the hole, put the cardboard on it, tell it to, you know, hoink when it gets angry, and then we should have eyebrows. That's my running theory. Okay. You know, the fun thing about cardboard is you don't need any screwdrivers or anything. You can just there you go. Snap in the screws like God intended. Okay, now that's an angry robot. Don't mind this hole. The hole shouldn't be there. Just give him a little bit of a trim here. That's better. That's starting to look better. Well, let's see if we can actually make him angry. Okay. That should be it. Let us upload the script. Okay. Well, they're moving. They're moving. Oh. Just going to take this bad boy off. What way is it moving? Oh my god, it's working. They're going the wrong way, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're going the wrong way. So we just need to switch out these two to that one and that one. Okay, and then we should have a robot. Oh no, it's getting sadder. God damn it. Oh, but it's working now. Look at that. I think I can fix this pretty easily. Let's see. I'm gonna pull out this one. And pull out that one. Put it in there. Put this one in there. Oh, Oh my god, that is glorious. Now, next step, we gotta make it scream. It needs to scream angrily. So this is an active buzzer, I think. Could be the passive one. I'm going to assume it's the active one, but we're just going to stick it in and see what happens. Okay, this could be a bad idea. This could work out not all too well. I need to sit back for this. I'm sitting back. He's not angry. He should not be screaming at me. That's good. That's good. Now I am slowly moving closer. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. That's a beep. Holy Christ. Okay, that's very loud. Okay, let's upload it. Let's see what happens. It should now be screeching a lot more. Green is good. Green is silent, it seems. Oh. Yellow is a bit frantic. Are you fucking hearing that? That's what we want. That's an angry cardboard box, motherfuckers. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, I asked ChatGPT for quite a list of updates. Okay, so now it should also occasionally talk a little bit while it's on neutral. He did it! My god, we made RTD2. Okay, so it should now, like, keep a grudge. It'll stay angry for longer. It'll stay angry and gradually slow down its anger, and also when increasing its anger. When we're making it more upset, it will increase its level and then stay there for a bit. Okay, look at that. We're gonna put this bad boy in its shell. I cannot power it yet wirelessly. I don't have enough power. I need better batteries, a better power source. But this should be a smooth little prototype. I mean, you can't have it all. You cannot have an angry robot and have it wireless. You know, you cannot have your cake and eat it as well. You can either have a angry robot or you can have a portable cardboard box. I mean, I chose for the robot. Now we're going to put in his eyebrows. Here we go, that's one of them. That's number 2. Now if we plug it in, we should have our very own anger bot. Now I know it's made out of cardboard and I cannot really make... Oh my Jesus fucking Christ. I know it's made out of cardboard and you know there's not really a way for me to call this a robot. But it's here. It's here. What else is here? The next bot is not gonna be cardboard. Or maybe it is. Alrighty then. Anger bot. Cardbot. Anger bot. All our hard work has come to this moment. Anger bot. Alive? Is that it? Are you alive? Oh. Yes it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh. Oh. Amazing. Oh my god, we have made ourselves an angry cardboard box. Oh, I love the little noises it makes. Do something that you enjoy doing. And I enjoyed making this here cardboard box. So I'm gonna keep doing that. If you like it as well, leave a like. Let me know what I should build next. And then I'll hope to see you in the next one. Alrighty. Bye bye.